So I'm at Landis Woods Education Area in Codorus State Park, and I'm going to be taking you to what I think is the only waterfall, obviously man-made, in Codorus. There could be another small waterfall, maybe along Codorus Creek, but this is the only one I found. So if you know of any, comment. So this is the site of the old Girl Scout camp in Codorus. I've done a video on it before, just some buildings left over, like pavilions. There's a pond, there's some other buildings that Codorus owns. It's not in use, although they say it's an education area. I haven't seen anything ever used here, but we'll take you down and show you this waterfall and the pond. If you follow this road, probably about 200 yards from where I parked, you should see a small bridge. The ponds are there to the left, and you want to take this little trail to the right here, and this will lead you down to the small waterfall. So I thought it would be running more with all the water or the rain we have had, but there's not that much rain, but it will cascade here over the side. But this is, like I said, the only waterfall I know of in Codorus State Park. Obviously it's man-made, but another look at this small little waterfall. Like I said, nothing too impressive. If there was more rain, it would cascade over this part, but I guess it just wasn't enough rain that we've had. So here's another angle. Like I said, I've seen it run better than this. I thought with the rain that we had the last couple days, it'd be more dramatic, but still, like I said, this is the only waterfall I know of in Codorus State Park. And here's just a shot looking down. There's looking down on that small waterfall. We were just at the base down there, and the source of it is this small pond right here. And here's the buildings of that old Girl Scout camp. And here's a pond which feeds that small waterfall. So like I said, here is just that pond that feeds that small waterfall at the old Girl Scout camp here in Codorus State Park. So that was it. That's a short hike, just like I said, the only waterfall I know of in Codorus State Park, and the abandoned Girl Scout camp is there too, and there's a small little pond.